Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
King of the castle.
Hello.
Welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show. I'm CJ. Right behind this camera is Nate. Right over there is my
Hello.
trusty sidekick and nephew, Ethan.
Ethan.
I'm so glad that you guys are here. Before we get going, be sure to like and subscribe because in the first 15 seconds of this video, you decided that you love this channel.
Obviously.
And you love me and you love my cooking show.
Easy.
So thank you for doing that.
Done.
Now that you've done that, today I'm going to show you the quickest,
The quickest.
the easiest,
The easiest.
the tastiest
The tastiest.
chicken fried rice.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
So be sure to stick around, folks, because it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a simple one.
A
and
heck
it's
of a ride.
zang.
Zang.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show.
All right, so I've got some chicken cutlets here. Now, the reason I'm using chicken cutlets in this situation is it's probably for a couple reasons. These are quick and, ooh man, these are quick and simple and thin. They
Pretty thin.
cook really, really fast. Like I said, I love man, these are super thin. What was the butcher thinking? The butcher.
Now Charlie tells me you're a butcher.
They cook really, really quickly, so your meal can be fast and you can spend more time doing all those things that you love to do, like playing cards with your kids and
Watching movies.
doing puzzles.
All the
And
fun stuff.
Like I said, super simple. Medium heat. We're gonna throw some salt and pepper, kosher salt, coarse black pepper, a little bit of olive oil. Let that start cooking. While it's doing its thing, let's get to some veggies now.
Oh,
this
yum.
is one of
Whoa.
two.
It's like a ninja.
Ninja? Like a Judy chop?
Judy chop?
You got your Judy chop, you got your karate chop, you got your ninja chop.
So what I've got here is some onion. This is actually one of the only things I'm legitimately chopping up and doing on my own. Everything else is pretty much in a bag and prepared for me. Like I said, I like simple recipes for the simple man. Because I'm a simple, what? I don't know about that lazy business,
I
but
didn't say anything.
you said something.
I was clearing my throat.
Right.
There's a porcupine in my throat.
I've got some onions that I've chopped up, and you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put those beside my chicken while I've got some time.
Why the heck not?
Why the heck not?
What the heck do you mean?
Putting down a little bit of olive oil. Gonna hit that right in there with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Behind that, I've got some frozen peas and carrots.
Jenny and me was like peas and carrots.
But not frozen ones. But in this case, these are definitely frozen ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there. Start the warming process. Season all of that with some salt and pepper. Now it's time to flip my chicken. It's looking quite done on one side. I'm gonna flip that
Tasty.
and get that going. I think at this point, I wasn't sure if I was gonna, but I'm definitely now going to. I'm gonna go ahead and start the glazing process of my chicken with this sesame teriyaki, sear and stir. I want to get it ooey gooey.
Steer and stirve.
Did I say stir?
Steer and stirve.
Steer and stir?
Uh-huh.
Stang it. You know what? It's probably a good time. Yeah, sear and
Yeah.
serve is on, and now
Okay.
let's go ahead and bring it,
Just,
because I'm bringing something. I'm not sure what it is, though. Back to business. Let's go ahead and slide our veggies over and make some room for some eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, sliding that out of the way, tossing my chicken occasionally, letting that glaze. I actually think it's almost done. We're gonna go ahead and chop that up on our Blackstone. Get that into nice small bites. That way it's ready for our rice. So we have little bites in each forkful of our fried rice. Now, our eggs are done. Let's go ahead and add some of our Ben's Original Ready Jasmine rice. Now, again, like I said, this is a quick hack. So we're gonna put this down here. Don't worry about it. It's gonna steam and heat up from our Blackstone. While it's starting to steam, I'm gonna kind of carve out a little section there in the middle, drop down a little bit of butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. Not too much sesame oil, because that can get pretty aggressive. Gets quite aggressive with that flavor. Then I'm gonna incorporate all of the ingredients together at this point. So I'm gonna start stirring up all of our veggies and fried rice. Dude, I'm like exhausted. Can we please just ring it and bring it one more time?
Been waiting.
All right, let's ring that bell, bro. Woo-wee!
Dang.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Dang.
In the words of my father, Nehulanga.
That's what he said.
I think so. Now, I forgot to mention this as I was prepping, but I also want to add some of these is it tricolor or bicolor? Yeah, tricolor. Tuxedo style sesame seeds. That's gonna be a fun texture and great color for our fried rice. And then also, while I'm at it, I've got some greenery onion here. This is gonna be a beautiful garnish. You know, Ethan, should we garnish inside? Like, should we mix this with everything, or should this just be the post-dust garnish?
I'd post dust.
Okay, I think that we can do that. I better not chop these up too much. I might put them into a pulp.
Yeah. Speaking of pulp, hey CJ, did you know that in Pulp Fiction, Vincent Vega's 1964 Chevelle Malibu, which was actually owned by Tarantino himself, it was stolen not too long after filming, and it wasn't found for 2 decades until some cops came on these 2 little hooligans just like tearing apart this car, and they checked the VIN number, and it belonged to Tarantino.
Dude, that's freaking brilliant, because in Pulp Fiction, his car is in the shop. Not a week out of the shop, it gets keyed. And then to add insult to injury, it actually got stolen and was owned by Tarantino?
Yep.
Dang!
Guess who stole it? Tarantino. New movie plot.
The plot thickens. All right, dude.
All right, dude.
All right, dude.
Where's your car, dude?
Where's your dude? Dude, where's your car, dude?
Where's your car, dude?
I don't know, dude, but I do know where my wickedly quick, delicious
Wickedly
chicken
quick.
fried rice is.
Dang, it looks awesome.
Dude, this looks
Money.
incredible. I'm gonna need a bigger bowl, that's for sure. All right, so I've got this off of the direct heat. Let's head back over here.
I like this little plate bowl you got.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Very
you.
nice. Very nice.
Quite nice indeed. You know what?
What?
I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this or not, but I think one of my garnish is gonna be a little bit of this sesame teriyaki.
Post drizzle?
Sear and serve. Yeah, a little bit of the post drizzle. Because, dude, if y'all have not had this yet, you seriously need to. It is so delicious. Such a great flavor. Then on top of that, I'm gonna add some
come on now.
little bit of heat.
You know.
A little bit of heat with some sriracha. And because look at that color. Dude, it looks
Beauty.
freaking rad, right?
Beauty.
Then I've got some of this green onion going to post dust slash, actually it's not even a post dust, it's just
drop.
a delicious garnish.
Wait for the drop.
And a few more of my seeds here.
Those
And
are
dude, we are done. Now you have it. A perfectly simple, beautifully excellent, marvelous weekday chicken fried rice. Let's get into this. So there's a lot of technique to making the perfect chicken fried rice.
Are you calling this the perfect one?
I'm not calling it perfect. This is a quick hack.
This is
And-
a Wednesday. I'm busy.
Yep, I'm coming home.
Yeah.
Kids are hungry.
Practice.
Yep.
Because CJ's joining my hockey team.
I'm not gonna do it.
Now Jersey.
I'll get you your own jersey.
There's just layers of greatness in here, man.
Kind of like you, CJ. Like
Exactly.
an onion.
Whoa, look at all that steam. It's gonna be hot. Oh, dang, dude.
Boom.
This is freaking money. This is a quick weekday recipe. You know what? I probably should make another Chinese dish.
Okay.
And I'm gonna crush. I know I'm gonna crush it. I'm gonna show this world a thing or two.
Uncle Ben's cutlets. Very authentic Chinese.
I feel attacked.
No.
Let me know in the comments below. Did you cut me deep, dude?
Deep?
Deep. You use chopsticks? You got me deep. Leave it in the comments below. But speaking of comments, it's time to hear from you, the viewers.
We're
and
there.
there's some fun ones this week.
We made it.
We made it. We are at CJ's favorite comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
And here we are, finally, at last. We made it to the end of the show, and at the end of the show, this is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Oh, you write it.
We read it. I like to read comments from you, the viewers, sharing your perspective, so to speak. Oh, starting with
Love
the
and
love. This one comes in from Crown and Brim.
Crown and Brim.
Crown and Brim says, the burger looks great, but cut the poop with the cutaways.
I thought you said it was love and hug.
Nope, no love or hugs. Crown and Brim, I'm sorry, I can't.
Welcome.
I'm compelled.
They're probably not here to be honest, anymore. They checked out.
The power of cooking compels me.
The power of Christ compels thee.
All right.
Marlene Cecil
Hey, Marlene.
says burgers looked great, but there was way too much.
Dang.
Ring it and bring it. I couldn't keep up with the recipe. It was very annoying and distracting. By the way, what's in the glasses you're drinking? Wouldn't you like to know?
Yeah,
Marlene.
Singer.
That's how I met Marla Singer.
Or Marla.
You call it. That was mean. Rachel Schroeder says, my boyfriend Matt and I love watching your show.
Okay.
Fantastic recipes and killer quotes.
Awesome.
I really like the What the Bell shirt idea.
Oh, that is a good
It's
one.
coming, you guys. Hopefully adding some tank tops too. Also, quote, is butter a carb?
Is butter a carb?
Are we ringing to Mean Girls or to Mark and
It's Rachel.
Rachel
and her boyfriend Matt.
Matt?
They love the show. And they love the cooking and the
cheers
quotes.
to them.
And to Mean Girls. Thanks for not being a mean girl, Rachel. Cheryl Wine says, I recently discovered your show, plus Nathan and Betty's. I'm thoroughly enjoying binge watching the episodes
right
and
on.
can't wait to try out several of your recipes. Love your banter and movie quotes as well. Thank you for the fun videos.
We love you.
Cheryl.
Cheryl Crow.
Whoa. You're jumping at me for my Mean Girl movies and you're talking Cheryl Crow now?
Wait, whoa. What's wrong with Cheryl Crow?
Nothing.
I like a good beer buzz early in the morning.
I like a good beer buzz early in the morning.
It's from the song. Okay,
I was holding on as long as I could. Oh, this next one comes in from Scott L. Scott says, when are you guys going to get a real job? ... Is my envy that obvious?
Oh, he's being funny.
He's being funny. Scott, we have a sweet gig. It takes a lot of years of movie watching.
Yep.
You got to really commit to your
You gotta
pop
be-
culture.
You gotta be willing to wake up at the crack of noon.
You got a dog. You got a responsibility.
You got a responsibility.
You got to get out there and find that movie quote. Deb B says,
Debbie Gibson.
I'd rather not talk about my Debbie
I don't
music collection.
I don't like to talk about my flair.
I don't really like talking about my flair.
That's 4 of my favorite things in life now. All in
Okay.
one video. I'll
Whoa.
list it in alphabetical order so not as to cause a feud.
Here we go.
CJ, hot sauce, Nate, and wings. Boom!
Of all the things in the world, we're top 3 is what I'm taking away from that.
Puppies, nowhere to be
Nope.
seen. Goodbye.
80s movies. Alcohol didn't even make the list in 3rd place.
Oh!
Wow.
The Bills got some new tricks. Speaking of tricks, you guys are not going to believe it. It was so funny. We just got back from a trip to Vegas, and the 3 of us, you got to go check out. Did we post that to the story? The train wreck of the suitcase?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you guys, this guy.
Sweet Ethan.
Oh, poor E. His suitcase did not do well. It did not bode well.
Show him real quick right now.
Yeah, here's the clip.
Yeah, dude, it broke within like 3 months in.
What's up, bro? What's going on, guys? What happened to your back? And because of that, we decided that Swanson.
Samsonite.
I was way off.
And so here we are. Ba, ba, da, 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 da,
Can't believe it.
da, 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 da. A word or two?
I really hope this one doesn't break.
Me too. But chances are he'll figure out a way to break it.
Correct.
All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us. This is CJ's first cooking show. We're having a blast. Be sure to check out all the shows. Definitely go to griddlenation.com to get some swag, some
swag.
stickers, some shirts. You can't get a suitcase there, but I do know a guy.
We could get a sticker that you could put on your suitcase.
Exactly.
And then take a picture at the airport and send it to us, and we'll put it in the comments of the week.
Everything he just said. Guys, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook. Exactly. Yeah, no. He was drinking.
Gonna say,
Honestly, the
I
thing
just
is,
wonder when I'm gonna get my suitcase.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ.